Welcome to the AI Research Roundup. I'm Alex. The AI field is currently in a massive shift from traditional modular voice assistants to unified speech-to-speech models, which really highlights how inadequate text-based tests are for measuring real conversational dynamics. A paper that hit the Hugging Face trending list just yesterday, May 13, 2026, tackles this evaluation gap head-on. The paper is titled EVA-Bench, a new end-to-end framework for evaluating voice agents. The big hook is that when testing 12 different systems using this new framework, not a single one could simultaneously score above 0.5 on both accuracy and user experience. They built an automated audio simulation suite to uncover exactly where these models break down. And as we will explore, the massive gap between a model's absolute best run and its reliable everyday performance is the most surprising part of the story. For those interested in the implementation, the authors have shared their code on GitHub. Table 1 compares the new EVA-Bench framework against 6 other recent evaluation tools. You see right away that EVA-Bench is the only one fully supporting both speech-to-speech and cascade architectures in live, multi-turn simulations. But what really sets it apart are the features in the last 3 columns. None of the prior setups offer automated simulator validation, comprehensive metrics, or multi-trial checks, which are crucial for measuring true reliability instead of a lucky single run. Figure 1 maps out the end-to-end pipeline for the EVA-Bench framework. The process begins on the left with inputs like enterprise scenarios and audio perturbations. The center panel details the conversation simulation, where a customized simulator engages the voice agent in live bot-to-bot audio interactions. Crucially, a validation step automatically triggers a rerun if the simulator misbehaves. Validated runs then pass to the right to be scored on 2 main metrics, EVA-A for accuracy and EVA-X for user experience. Figure 2 visualizes the trade-off between accuracy and user experience. The left panel plots average performance, called Pass at 1, where no system manages to score above 0.5 on both metrics. Speech-to-speech models, the purple squares, dominate the experience axis because of their fast turn-taking, but they struggle to match the accuracy of traditional cascade systems. The right panel displays reliability scores, revealing a drastic overall performance drop when requiring consistent success across multiple trials. Table 2 breaks down these exact scores across 12 systems. The top section focuses on accuracy, where you can clearly see the steep drop from a system's peak capability to its reliable performance. For example, the highest scoring cascade model hits roughly 81% at its peak, but drops to just 22% for consistent success. The bottom half tracks user experience. Here, the speech-to-speech models completely outperform older architectures in the turn-taking submetric. Figure 3 illustrates how these different architectures handle adverse acoustic conditions, specifically looking at turn-taking. The bars show the performance drop from a clean baseline when adding accents, background noise, or both. On the right, speech-to-speech models, despite their overall experience advantage, are particularly sensitive to background noise. Meanwhile, the cascade systems on the left show highly variable robustness, with some experiencing massive drops when multiple perturbations are combined. Table 21 breaks down average performance across different system architectures on clean, baseline runs. The data shows speech-to-speech models outperforming traditional cascade setups in positive metrics, like responding on time and finishing conversations. However, the far right column reveals that these same models have a significantly higher rate of violating conversational policies, which highlights the challenge of keeping end-to-end models aligned with task instructions. The bottom row emphasizes this trade-off, showing the direct percentage point difference between the architectures. Wrapping up, 2 takeaways stand out. Current voice agents are highly brittle, and there is a massive trade-off between conversational experience and task accuracy. Developers must prioritize reliable performance in real acoustic conditions over peak single trial scores. That wraps up this look at evaluating voice agents. I am Alex, and this has been the AI Research Roundup. See you in the next one.